Boobam and Songbird get into music. Winter. Have you ever listened to a piece of music and thought, "Whoa, that sounds spooky"? Or that music reminds me of the circus? Or that music makes me feel brave. Music can take you on a journey and help you imagine what you can't see with your eyes. Composers, the people who write music, can take your ears on all kinds of adventures, as Songbird and Boobam are about to learn.
In Cat's Paw Forest, all kinds of strange and unusual things can happen at any time. And this day was no different. As Boobam and Songbird were exploring, they spied something they'd never seen before.
Whoa.
A large button.
A button? Out here in the forest?
Not just a button that reads, "Get into music," with a snowflake?
What do you think that means, Boobam?
Well, I don't know about the snowflake, but get into music means to hear it, to feel it, to move with it.
You mean to experience and get all wrapped up in it?
Exactly. What do you think? Should I press the button?
Let's be brave. Press it. Oh, it just makes a high, twinkly sound.
Very pretty. But I was hoping for something a little more exciting to happen.
Suddenly, they were lifted off the ground and disappeared. The temperature dropped. It became colder and colder until they landed in a large mound of snow.
We're definitely into music now.
The icy sounds of violins cut through the air.
It's freezing in here.
But at least we're wearing hats and gloves. How did that happen?
I have no idea, but look at this sign. It says Winter by Mr. Antonio Vivaldi.
And now we're in a place that's all snow and ice, just like winter. We should move to the music to keep warm.
Exactly what I had in mind.
They turned to see a man with a kind face wearing a puffy purple coat, a green hat, and brown boots.
Hello, ciao. I'm Antonio Vivaldi. Pleasure to meet you. You've gotten into my music, I see.
Yes, but it's freezing.
And that makes me so happy.
It does?
I was trying to write a frosty, freezing music, and from what do you say? I did. I should have given myself a gold star. Now watch.
Oh, it's lovely.
Have you written any warmer pieces?
Why, yes, I have. I've written music for all 4 seasons. This is winter, but I also have spring, summer, and autumn, or fall. Would you like to visit them as well?
Definitely.
But how do we get back to the forest?
Easy peasy. Just keep moving to the music and away you'll go. You're into the music. Enjoy!
Wow, that was amazing. But where'd our gloves and hats go?
I guess winter is over.
You want to press the button again, Songbird? Only not back to winter.
As you've just discovered, music isn't just for listening. It can take you places through thoughts and feelings. Next time, Boobam and Songbird will take you on a new adventure as they discover Antonio Vivaldi's piece, Spring.
What season did Boobam and Songbird learn about? Who did Boobam and Songbird meet? What kinds of sounds did you hear in the music? What is your favourite thing about winter?